What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now, I don't normally do videos like this, but I was thinking about it last night, and when I was installing the beta software on the actual regular device, I was like, do you know what, let's talk about it. And I know I can't show an awful lot because it is beta software and there's some legalities behind showing beta software, but I can show you a fair bit of it and what I think anyway. Watching the keynote last night, obviously everyone was like, oh, liquid glass, you know, it was always going to cause controversy, and we've seen that today. So if you've been on any social media apps, you'll have seen it literally going through everything, and people not liking it, people liking it. It's always the case. There's always a fine balance, but lately it seems to be the negative for Apple right now. So I'm assuming when the new phone launches, there'll be a lot of people not going to buy it, but we all know they will. Now, I do dual yield. There's nothing anyone can say to me about not carrying like an Android device. I do carry an S25 Ultra. I do actually carry one, and it is my secondary device. And now and again, it does become me primary. I just switch everything over, and I use it as a primary. But my main device normally is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and I decided to install the beta software last night. I got to grips with it a little bit last night, and I wasn't too impressed when it first got put on the device. If you've seen my what's on my iPhone video, then I'll leave it up here for you guys to check it out. The widget and everything looked completely wrong. It was a mess. And every time I tried to install the new Clear apps, it looked like they were in black and white, and it didn't look like they were floating at all. It just looked like I had a black and white piece of paper. It just looked like I had a black and white page of apps, and I was like, this doesn't really work for me. Can I go backwards? And then I kind of sat down, I got to grips with it, I made it my style to how I want it. And then when I done this, when you move this around and you see the wallpaper sort of come to life. So then when you go to like customize, and then you can play with the clock, you can make it bigger, you can make it back to smaller, you can go what you want. And I love the fact it goes behind the actual picture. It looks great. I mean, you can go in, you can change the font of it. You can't really do much in terms of the other fonts. There's only one standard font at the front here, which you can change the size to. Then you've got the date on the top. You can't really do an awful lot with the date, but it looks good. The aesthetic looks really pleasing, and I do actually like that a lot. Now, yeah, you can see my love for Universal is undoubted. I decided to do this. I already had the wallpaper anyway. I decided to keep it, and then when you open up, and then it flips in, it looks great. The animation looks fantastic. So when you open your phone, all the animations come to life. Now, again, this is just beta software. We may see a change in this going forward. You just never know what's going to happen. Now, I've noticed today when I use Apple CarPlay, and it looks fantastic. I've got it in the work van, and it looks fantastic on the screen. It really does. It looks good. It looks nice and rounded. All the edges look nice and rounded. It looks really, really good. The only thing I've noticed today there's a bit of an issue with, and that's Apple Music. So what they said last night was there'll be a sort of DJ transition between songs. What I've noticed today is before the song's even finished, come to like near enough, I'd say 3/4, all of a sudden the song gets lower, speeds up, gets higher, and then next thing it joins. So the live DJ thing hasn't really gone into fruition just yet. But again, it's beta software. We're not going to see that just yet. We probably will in a couple of weeks when the new software starts to roll out and maybe get more launches. I mean, it is a developer beta. In the messages, I do like the new keyboard. The keyboard looks really, really nice. It's nice and easy to use. It really does look good. Now I've had to change my entire home screen layout. So what I've done is I've gone for the blur background for the original wallpaper. Took my widget off, and this is what I'm now working with. So I've scanned over, I've got a ChatGPT widget at the top of this page now, whereas I used to have these two sat on this side. I've put my big day calendar app on this side here, so it can show me how long it's got till I'm going away. Transferred some apps down to the side. It's basically the way that I used to have it years ago. So if you've seen any videos from me on what's on my iPhone, this is how I used to have it. The Apple Music app, again, does look good. I like these things at the bottom right here, and you can see how it jumps about. So like a little liquid like a little liquid pill, it sort of jumps about. So it looks good. does look good, and it really does. I do like it a lot. I haven't really been into FaceTime. WhatsApp hasn't changed much because that's a separate app completely. You then got the likes of your Apple Wallet, etc. That's all changed. The phone app has now changed, and you got them circles on the bottom for the liquid fluidity of like contacts, keypad. It does look really, really good in that sense, and I mean, I do like it a lot. I like the way it looks. It's nice and aesthetic. But if I click on it and I keep hold of it, it opens up that. You can go to edit, go to customize, and you'll see what I mean now. So if I go to clear, see, it just looks like it just looks like everything's gone black and white. But again, it'll flip and change. It's a bit of a weird aesthetic at this moment in time. So to go for that, it's a bit of a strange one for me. I do like a bit of vividness. So, but then if you click on it, as you can see, it goes to like back to its normal color. So if I go to edit, go back to customize, and I go say dark, so it goes to dark. I can go to the light ones. I can go tinted. I can go all blue or whatever I want to do. But I'll go back to all dark. And if you click on the logo, as you can see, just darkens the top ever so slightly. Just darkens around the middle here. And you can make the logos, obviously make the icons bigger, and it takes away the writing from the middle. But you just go back and make them normal size again. But I think it looks good. I do really think it looks good, and I'm quite happy with it. As I say, the lock screen, the messages in the messages, everything you can do with it. But I have changed everything on my home screen compared to what it used to look like. There's that, I suppose. If you want to see a full dedicated video of how I've done my phone now with what's on my iPhone, then let me know in the comment section down below. But me personally, I personally like iOS 26. I think it looks good. I think as we go forward with the betas, it'll define itself, and you'll be able to see a lot more aesthetically pleasing items. Go into Control Center, because I know that's caused a bit of controversy today, at least anyway, hasn't it? Everything looks the same up here, but you can see your apps in the background, so they haven't blurred out the background in a way that they normally should, but then they wouldn't look like they were floating, which is what the liquid glass is meant to do. It's meant to perceive everything as being floating. I do still think it looks good. Everything still looks the same, but of course you can, if you've got a different wallpaper, things may be harder to see. It's beta software. We're going to see bugs. We're going to see different issues with different apps because they're not set up yet for iOS 26. We'll see as we go forward how things change, how things progress. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Have you upgraded to iOS 26? Are you going to do it? Are you still on previous software from a while ago and you just don't update at all? Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. Me personally, I like it. Like the way it looks. I'm looking forward to seeing what's going to happen next. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. If you like this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Turn the notifications on. I'll see you all in the next one. Then we may have more updates. But again, you know, do you want to see more on this? Or would you like to see more iOS videos? Let me know in the comment section, and I may do some iPad videos, some Mac videos, some Apple Watch videos. I'll do whatever you guys want to see next. So let me know in the comment section down below. But see you all very soon.